Hi, we're at the Paris Air Show at the Raytheon Chalet, speaking with Mike Booen, Vice President of Directed Energy. Mike has a very interesting announcement about a company they've just bought, which may have a revolutionary technology for warfare. Mike, tell us about the company you bought and what they bring to the table.
Well, we bought a small company that was formerly known as K-Tech Corporation, and it's now known as Raytheon K-Tech. We think if we take their technology of these smaller high-power microwave and pulse power module technologies, put them with Raytheon platforms, we could give the warfighters basically a zero collateral damage type of weapon where they can go attack electronics non-kinetically. In other words, instead of using a 500-pound bomb, to blow up a city block where there's a command and control facility, for example, we might be able to use this new technology to defeat that command and control technology.
And how would that work?
It's kind of like an electromagnetic pulse where you're using high-power microwaves to either upset or damage electronics. So basically anything with electronics would potentially be susceptible to this type of technology.
So basically you zap their electronics and they stop working?
Right. And this is good for, let's face it, the enemies that the United States faces are not dummies. They put targets close to things that we don't want to bomb. So that's one issue. We can now give the warfighters the capability to attack targets that they might not otherwise. This way, perhaps you can attack critical nodes and you don't have as much damage.
How targeted is the weapon, Mike?
Obviously, in theory, we want it to be directional, and that's some of the research and development we'll be doing with Raytheon K-Tech. Is you have to have the high-power microwave source, which they're expert at. You also have to have pulse power to power up the high-power microwave. They're expert at that, and then you have to have antenna technology, which they're expert at. And we also have other capabilities within Raytheon that we can bring to bear to provide the antennas that will take to point this.
Is this a breakthrough technology like the stirrup or the aircraft carrier concept?
I mean, in general, I think that's what directed energy is, and that's why Raytheon is really invested in directed energy, not only high-power microwave technology, but laser technology as well, because that is the future. I mean, you're attacking targets at the speed of light. That is revolutionary, and whereas you think about our current stock of weapons, and you can take some good pictures right over there of all of our array of missiles. They travel at the speed of sound. So what's that, Mach 1, Mach 2? We're talking about weapons that travel at Mach 1 million. And so truly that is a revolution.